When was the last time you had a churro? Seriously, I can't remember. But I used to get the best churros at this taco stand in Chicago. They were absolutely delicious. And then I started thinking churro pound cake, because that's clearly a perfect match. And that's where this recipe came from. So here you have churro pound cake with all of the signature churro flavors. I'm talking that cinnamon sugar exterior. I'm talking about that delicious crunchy crust on the outside. And then to tie it all together, I've got a dulce de leche icing. You gotta get into this. Y'all should know by now we start with our butter in the mixer, followed by sugar, and then we cream it until light and fluffy. Now we're gonna add in our eggs one at a time. And while that mixes, grab a bowl with flour, add some cinnamon, mix well, and then toss that into the mixer. Let's add in our sour cream, our vanilla extract, and then our dulce de leche, because that's what's really gonna take this cake to the top. Once the batter is done, add it to your cake pan, and we're gonna bake at 325 for about an hour and 20 minutes. But please check your own stuff, okay? Check your cake, because everybody's oven is different. In a separate bowl, add sugar, salt, and cinnamon, then mix that up, and that's what we're going to use to top the cake. Now, listen to this. We're gonna put the cake in the sink because we don't want to make a huge mess. That's going to be our sugar coating, and it's going to get everywhere. For the icing, in another bowl, add the remaining dulce de leche, powdered sugar, a little milk, and mix it up real good, because that's what we're going to pour all over this beautiful cake. A perfect slice just for me. Oh, look at that. Super tender. Yum. Gotta scoop up that icing. Come on. Yum me. This is so good, y'all. Yum. Buttery, tender, soft, melt in your mouth. Perfect tight crumb. Everything you love about a pound cake. But you're getting all of that cinnamon sugar essence on the outside. You're getting that incredibly rich icing. It all pulls it together, and you may not even get the classic churro again. This might be your new addiction. Just saying.